In a quiet village surrounded by rolling hills and open fields, lived an elderly couple, Ahmad and Fatima. Ahmad, with his flowing white beard, big, kind eyes behind his glasses, and his simple white attire, was a respected elder in the community. His wife, Fatima, equally graceful in her white scarf and dress, was known for her wisdom and warm smile. Together, they lived a simple but blessed life, deeply rooted in their Islamic faith. Ahmad and Fatima owned a modest horse farm and a cow milk farm. Despite their humble means, they viewed their work as a trust from Allah. Their horses were strong and well kept, often helping transport goods for their neighbors. Their cows gave rich, pure milk, which they sold at the village market. However, Ahmad and Fatima always set aside a portion of the milk for the poor and needy in the village, following the Quranic teaching of charity. The couple believed that their provision, was a gift from Allah and never hesitated to share what little they had. Ahmad and Fatima prayed 5 times a day without fail. The village mosque, a small but beautiful structure with a modest dome, was their sanctuary. Every far, Ahmad's serene voice would wake the village with the adhan, calling everyone to prayer. Fatima often accompanied him for the prayers, sitting with other women in the prayer area. After every salah, the couple would sit quietly, making dua for their children and grandchildren who lived in distant cities, for the well-being of their neighbors, and for the poor who often knocked on their door seeking help. Their faith was unwavering, and they often reminded each other, "This world is a test. Our true home is with Allah in Jannah." One year, a terrible drought struck the village. The grass in the fields dried up, and many villagers struggled to feed their animals. Ahmad and Fatima, too, were affected. Their cows gave less milk, and their horses grew weaker without enough fodder. Despite this, the couple remained steadfast in their prayers and trust in Allah. One evening, after Maghrib prayer, a poor man came to their door, seeking food. Ahmad looked at Fatima and said, "What little we have, we must share." Fatima nodded, her eyes shining with trust in Allah. She prepared a meal for the man using the last of their provisions. Later that night, as the couple prayed tahajjud, Ahmad made a heartfelt dua, "Ya Allah, you are Ar-Razaq, the sustainer. Provide for us and for all those who are struggling." The next morning, Ahmad woke up early to tend to the animals. To his astonishment, he found that their cows had given more milk than they had in months. The horses, too, seemed healthier and more energetic. Ahmad and Fatima were overjoyed and immediately thanked Allah for his blessings.